Today, we're excited to introduce Leonardo AI, an image generation tool ideal for creating engaging educational materials. Start by visiting the leonardo.ai website and creating a free account to access daily image generation. Once logged in, browse the various image generation styles on the front page or within the fine-tuned models section. Click on your preferred style and select Generate with this model. If you want the AI to choose the best style for your prompt, adjust the image settings to your liking. Next, enter your prompt into the provided bar. For example, you might use a prompt about teamwork and collaboration. You can either generate the image directly or enhance your prompt by leveraging ChatGPT to generate a more detailed prompt. Finally, hit Generate and download the images as needed. Regarding pricing, the free version provides 150 tokens daily. There are also various paid plans available, including Basic, Standard, and Pro, as shown. By following these steps, you'll create engaging, copyright-free visual aids to enhance your students' learning experience.